Sacramento County Sheriff's Department, Sheriff's Office Department. Sergeant Scott McCartney, also known as Motor Yoda, married for 19 years, got 2 girls, 19 years on the department, 16 as a motor, and he is their lead instructor over there.
Here we go.
Scott McCartney, Sacramento County Sheriff. Came from all the way from California. Make a little noise for our first California competitor. 69.3, nice job. Back on the department.